All right, Chris here with High Seas Cruising. We're back for part 3 of our USS Alabama Memorial Park tour. It's a little bit of our pre-cruise tourism that we're doing before we get on the ship tomorrow. And for this part, we're going to go over all of the static displays that are out here. So we've already done the USS Drum, the submarine. We've already done the USS Alabama. And now we're going to do all of the static displays. So all around the park, they have different aircraft, just like the one I have behind me here. They have tanks, they have helicopters, they have some memorials. So we're going to go around and we're going to take a look at all of that. Now, unfortunately, a lot of the plaques seem to be missing for all of this equipment. So I can't tell you exactly what all of it is. Some of it we'll just have to know what it is, or if I happen to recognize it. Like this here looks like a Sherman tank. Yep, so this is the M4 Sherman medium tank. This is the M26 Pershing. Now this one is the M42 Duster. All right, now this is going to be the T-55. This is a Russian tank. All right, so this here is the B-52 bomber. Now I had to stand way back in order to get this entire aircraft in this frame, because this thing is, I mean, it's huge, as you guys can see. Alright, they do have a section dedicated to the Coast Guard and to Coast Guard craft, and they have a small Coast Guard patrol boat here, or a couple of them. Okay, so this is the Sikorsky helicopter. This is the Sea Guard. This is a 41-foot utility boat. This is a 26-foot motor sunboat. And then another Coast Guard helicopter here. U.S. Air Force Rescue. You can see all the way up inside it here. Of course, they have the engine out, fuel tanks out. You can see up inside to this particular rocket right here. But they do have the engine to it pulled out and sitting right here. Well, if you bring a pet with you and you want to visit the museums, they do have some small kennels here where you can place your pets temporarily. Being how this is a Navy helicopter, it is pretty interesting how they can essentially fold it up. So you can fold up the rotors, you can fold up the tail rotor. It's really interesting how they're able to do all that. Phoenix missile, okay, which went to the F-14 Tomcat. Right next to the Tomcat, you have the F-15. Then you have the F-16 Falcon. And the F-18 Hornet. And of course, you have the SR-71 Black. We definitely cannot forget to get a film of this one here. There are also several memorials here on the property. men who served from Alabama in the Vietnam War. Alrighty, and that completes our tour here around the USS Alabama Memorial Park. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. Hope you guys enjoyed the submarine. If you haven't seen that video, hope you enjoyed the battleship, the USS Alabama. Said there's a video for that. And of course, this one, all of the static displays and memorials here around the USS Alabama Memorial Park. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Said mostly we do cruising, but when I get the opportunity to do some touristy stuff like visit naval museums, naval ships, I always take advantage of that. So I hope you guys are enjoying it. Have yourselves a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.